The living organism and the surroundings. The place where living beings live is called habitat. Example of habitat are pond, forest, tree, mountains, desert, sea, etc. Adaptation. The bodies of animals are specially designed to live their own habitat, that is known as adaptation. That is, the features or characteristics which make an animal or plant better suited to its environment are called adaptation. Adaptation found in desert plants and animals. Camel is a desert animal. Let us have a look what are the adaptive features of camel to live in desert. Legs are long, which help to keep the body away from heat of the sand. Its feet have a thick large soles, making it suitable for walking on sand. When water is available, the animal can drink a quantity of water. A camel can go on without food or water at a stretch for as many as 10 days. It passes out very little amount of water through urine, dung and sweat. Cactus is a desert plant. It shows adaptation in its roots, stem and leaves. Roots are very long so that water from deep layers of the soil can be absorbed. Stems become spongy so as to store water. Stems becomes green and take over the functions of leaves. The thick waxy coating develops on the stem to prevent the loss of water because of intense heat of desert. Leaves are reduced to spines in order to reduce the loss of water from the surface of leaves. There are two types of habitat: terrestrial habitat and aquatic habitat. Terrestrial habitat means the term terrestrial itself is generally used to describe living organisms that live and grow on land. Example, desert, mountain, grassland. Aquatic habitat is a habitat with water. It includes areas that are permanently covered by water and surrounding areas that are occasionally covered by water. Example, ocean, pond, lake and rivers. Types of plants on the basis of habitat. On the basis of habitat, plants can be divided into three: hydrophytes, mesophytes and xerophytes. Hydrophytes are the plant which grows only in or on water. Example, water lily. It is otherwise known as aquatic plants. Mesophytes are the terrestrial plants which are neither adapted to particularly dry nor particularly wet environments. It needs only a moderate amount of water to grow. They live on land with sufficient water. Example, herbs. Xerophyte is a species of plant that can survive in an environment with a little liquid water. Example, desert. These xerophytes live on land which are dry climate having a scarcity of water. Example, cactus. On the basis of habitat, animals can be classified into four: aquatic animals, terrestrial animals, amphibious animals, arboreal animals. Aquatic animals are the animals which lives in water. Example, fish. Terrestrial animals are living on land. Example, crow. Amphibious animals are living both on land and in water. Example, frog. Arboreal means the animals living on trees. Example, squirrels, monkey, etc.